Is
Almost.
we have the governors, in fact, the chairman of the Council of Governors, Honorable Peter Munya, addressed this issue yesterday. And they talked about the loopholes in the IFMIS system, the challenges that it poses, and what remedy they recommend should be taken by the government to ensure this. And they've given examples of counties, not only code counties, unfortunately. The propaganda being spread right now is directed as code. If you look at, for example, the newspaper yesterday of the Star story, even Nakuru is supposed to be led by ODM, even Garissa, even Tana River, because it's basically being directed as ODM. It's not being objective. And they are quiet, yet they know that other counties, even Kiambu, lost money through this kind of fraud, and other counties which are led by Jubilee.